All right, news just coming in. The government is all set to scrap the Manrega and bring in a new rural job bill. And we have Priyanka Gandhi also reacting to it. The government is to bring that new bill in Parliament. Earlier, Manrega would assure 100 days of employment. Now, with this new bill that is going to be in Parliament, there's a guarantee of 125 days is what we're being told. Priyanka Gandhi reacting. Listen in.
पब्लिक को समझ में आता है कि नहीं, मुझे नहीं मालूम, लेकिन नीचे कर लो। जब भी किसी योजना का इस तरह से नाम बदला जाता है, आप सोचिए कितने ऑफिस हैं, कितनी स्टेशनरी है, कितनी उसके एलिमेंट्स हैं जिसमें खर्चा होता है। तो इसका फ़ायदा क्या है, किस लिए किया जा रहा है, महात्मा गांधी जी का नाम क्यों हटा रहे हैं? महात्मा गांधी जी तो इस देश के सबसे बड़े नेता इतिहास में, दुनिया में, विश्व में माने जाते हैं। तो उनका नाम हटाने के लिए मुझे समझ में ही नहीं आ रहा कि मकसद क्या है, इनकी मनसा क्या है, सदन चल नहीं रहा है।
And I have Akhilesh Sharma, political editor, joining me live here. The Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Scheme, Manrega, is going to be replaced. What are the details you have for us? After which we will, of course, come to the political showdown also that we're expecting over this, Akhilesh.
Well, it's a very important move by the government that it is going to repeal the Manrega law, which was enacted by the UPA government in 2005 and which ensured 100 days employment guarantee for the poor living in the urban rural areas. And that actually this scheme was so successful that it made way for the UPA to come back in power in 2009. But for the past 20 years, this has been a legacy of the UPA government, and the Modi government wants to change it. If you remember, when Narendra Modi took over as the Prime Minister, he mentioned in Parliament that this is a Vifalta ka smarak of Congress party, this entire scheme. So now the government is going to replace it. They are bringing a new bill called the Viksit Bharat Guarantee for Rozgar in Ajivika Mission Gramin, VBG Ramji bill. This is what they are calling it, VBG Ramji. So this is going to be the new scheme which will ensure not 100 days but 125 days employment for the poor living in the rural areas, and the wages will be paid within 15 days. And they also ensured that this scheme is beneficial for the people living in the rural areas. So now basically they have modified the entire scheme, and not only they changed the name but also enhanced the budget for this. Around 1,50,000 crore has been provided for accomplishment of this scheme.
Also, you have Priyanka Gandhi questioning why the name of Mahatma Gandhi is being dropped for this new bill. Akhilesh, are we expecting fireworks in Parliament and outside over this?
Well, the government, that's correct, because Congress and other opposition parties are raising this issue. They are saying that why Modi government has dropped the name of Mahatma Gandhi. Though originally when this act was passed by Parliament during the UPA government time, that was Mahatma Gandhi name was not added. It was later added. Mahatma Gandhi Manrega scheme was known later on. But now Modi government has repealed the old scheme, and a new scheme has been launched which is called VBG Ramji. So it's very interesting name which they have coined. This is the acronym, and as I mentioned, the Modi government wants to enhance number of days from 100 to 125. They are saying that it is going to actually benefit other people living in the rural areas, because so far the Manrega was not able to help them to elevate from the poverty line.
All right, so the central government is going to present a new bill in Parliament, is what we're being told, that would put an end to the current Manrega scheme, and it will be replaced with a different employment guarantee program, is what even Akhilesh is telling us. And the new bill called the Viksit Bharat Guarantee for Rozgar and Ajivika Mission Bill 2025 will be presented in the Lok Sabha. Thanks for joining us live there, Akhilesh. We, of course, will keep coming back to you for more. Priyanka Gandhi questioning why the name of Mahatma Gandhi is being dropped with the change of this bill.